this is Jyoti from Tenet Technetronics. Now we will mainly discuss features of the pandaboard and porting Ubuntu to it. This is the heart of the pandaboard, which is OMAP 4430 processor, which mainly consists of 1 GHz dual core ARM Cortex A9 core. This is WLAN or Bluetooth interface. This is SD or MMC interface. This slot supports SD cards up to 32 GB. These are the two status LEDs. These are the two expansion connectors. This is the LCD expansion. This is DVI-D out port. This is HDMI out port. This is the power supply jack. This jack supports power supply up to 5 volts, 4 amps, but we are using 5 volt 3 amps. This is USB to OTG port. This is the analog camera interface. This is the serial or RS-232 port, which is mainly used for the debugging. This is the JTAG interface. And these are the two reset or power on reset buttons. This is the Ethernet port. These are the two USB ports. This is the audio in and audio out port. Now let us see the procedure for porting Ubuntu on pandaboard. So the first step is to obtain the pre-built binaries. So click on the resources. Select the development environment. Then click on Ubuntu setup. To get the Ubuntu binaries, click on the download pre-built Ubuntu binaries. As our pandaboard is of revision A2, click on Ubuntu and OMAP downloads. Then to obtain the images, click on this site. Download the .gz tar file and save it in any one of your location. To obtain the MLO and uboot.bin files for the pandaboard, go to installation instructions. And then click on this. Save the file in any one of your location. Now the download has been completed. Go to the downloads folder and check whether it has been completed. Copy these two files to your home folder. Create a new folder. Naming Panda Ubuntu. Paste the two copied files in this folder. Go to Applications, Terminal, go to your Panda Ubuntu folder, extract the tar bz2 file. Now I am inserting 4 GB SD card to the laptop SD card slot. Identify the correct raw device by typing this command in the terminal. As you can see that the SD card is placed in MMC block P1. So the first step is to unmount the SD card. Next, we need to copy the pre-installed SD card images to this unmounted partition. This can be done by the following command. This is the pre-installed image which we had copied earlier to this folder. Enter this command. Now copy the MLO and ubuntu.bin files to the first partition of your SD card. Now the SD card has been loaded with the pre-built images. The next step is to remove the SD card from your system and boot to your processor. Once your SD card is prepared, place your SD card in the SD or MMC slot, connect USB mouse, USB keyboard, and for the display, connect HDMI out cable to the HDMI out port. Then connect your supply, which is 5 volts 3 amps. Now the pandaboard gets booted. Then you will end up with a menu in this way. Now the Ubuntu has been ported to the pandaboard, and you can check your compiler by executing a program. Go to applications. Click on the terminal. Open a file named hello.c. Type a simple hello world program in this file. Save it. And then execute this program by GCC compiler. Now your program has been compiled. You can check your output by giving ./hello. This is the output of your program, and this implies that your compiler has been working properly. Thanks for watching the video. For more information, please contact our website www.tenettech.com.